Today, I will show you the one-bedroom unit here in Mikasa, located in Metpar, Pasay City by Federal Land. In Mikasa, we only have one-bedroom unit per floor. So that is Unit D. Right now, we are here in the 17th floor. So this is the Unit 17D. The actual deliverables. At the left side, upon entering, is the kitchen area. What I like about this one is that it is almost complete. You have your cabinet. I like the color of this cabinet, color white, very welcoming. Then provision for your refrigerator over here. Elba range hood. Then at the right side is the provision for your washer and dryer. So the power box. So this is the living and dining area. Audio intercom over here. As you can see here in Mikasa, we have this tall window for view appreciation and natural light. So take a look. The view over here in 17D is the Metrobank Avenue, the Rojas Boulevard, and the Makati skyline over there. Nice, isn't it? So Mikasa is very accessible via Rojas Boulevard, Macapagal, and EDSA. So again, this is the living, dining, and kitchen area. So I will show you the bedroom. Homogeneous tiles flooring, by the way. So this is the bedroom. Engineered wood flooring. Your balcony over here. So one bedroom unit is perfect for young professional starting a family or a retirees. With built-in bedroom closet. Nice, right? Then over here is the toilet and bath. With shower enclosure already. So yeah, 45.5 square meters, only one bedroom unit per floor, located in Metpar, Pasay City near Double Dragon Plaza, Blue Bay Walk, Asiana, City of Dreams, Naiya Airport. So for more questions about this particular one bedroom unit in Mikasa or 2 and 3 bedroom, just let me know. We have big discount for our cash payment. We also have rent-to-own terms and early moving promo. Right now, if you purchase a 2-bedroom unit, we also have a 400,000 gift certificate fit-out promo from Abenson.